Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create professional AI videos with Hailuo AI. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. Before generating anything, decide what type of video you want to create and plan the main visual elements. Now write a clear prompt that describes your subject, action, environment, lighting, camera movement, and visual style. For example, you can describe a professional product scene with studio lighting, realistic details, smooth camera movement, and a clean background. If you already have an image, you can also use the image-to-video workflow. Upload a high-quality image and describe the movement you want to add. After entering your prompt, generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to finish processing. When the result is ready, preview it carefully. Look at the subject consistency, motion, lighting, camera movement, and overall visual quality. If anything looks unnatural, improve the specific part of your prompt and generate another version. For a more professional result, avoid overcrowding the scene with too many objects or complicated actions. Keep the main subject clear and use simple, controlled camera movements. Once you're satisfied with the generated video, save it and continue editing if needed. You can add voiceover, music, captions, transitions, and other elements in your preferred video editor. Finally, review the complete video before publishing it and make sure the visuals match your intended message. And that's how you can create professional AI